Hi, it's Stuart Carter from Howard's Peugeot and Hyundai in Dorchester. Just about to show you a short video on this Peugeot 3008 SUV. This particular one is an Allure with the 1.5 130 brake horsepower blue HDI diesel coupled with the E88 automatic gearbox. Now this particular car was registered 2018 on an 18 plate and is in Cumulus Grey. We're on London Road in Dorchester. If you'd like to pop down and have a look at the car or even take a test drive, or call one of the team on 01305 266 066. And I hope you enjoy the video.